I ain't playing with you.
You are walking trophy. Girl, you are walking trophy. You are walking trophy. My girl, you are walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them are walking trophy. Tell a girl, say, girl, you know, say.
What up, you guys? So for this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my lace front wigs look as natural as possible. The wig that I'll be installing tonight is this wig right here by RPGHair. So this wig right here is their 14-inch silky straight lace front wig. This wig is so soft, you guys. Coco is so disrespectful. Y'all hear her? Coco. So I'll be showing you guys how I apply my wig using no gel, no glue, and how I, get my wigs to look so natural. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and cut up all this extra lace that's on my wig that I do not need. And then we're going to get right into it. Yeah, so now I'm finished with cutting off all that extra lace. I'm going to show you guys the lace in the front itself. The lace did come with the knots bleached. They literally only bleached it to like right there. Okay, so this is pretty much the wig. I'm sure you guys see the craziness that's going on right now. This hairline. So this hairline right now is like a no-no for me. Just to make my job a little easier, what I'm going to do is I'm going to part out some of the hair right here. Like these hair right here. So that hair right there that I parted off, I'm like using my nail to part it. And I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm just going to pluck it a little bit. You guys, so now that I've went in and plucked it a little bit, what we're going to use to hold down our front toe, like I said, no gel, no glue. So what I've been using a lot lately to hold down my units, and this has been working absolutely great for me. It's less messier than using the Got2b gel itself. I've been using the Got2b Glued Blasting Freeze Spray, this one here, and y'all, this is a lot easier. The gel leaves like a lot of residue that you have to go in and wash afterwards, but with the spray, everything comes right up once you remove your lace, so there's nothing to clean up afterwards. It dries a lot faster than the gel itself, and it's just a lot easier to work with. So I actually want my lace to sit on my head right there. I'm just gonna pull it back right now. Take any extra hair that's in the front. I'm going to take my spray and I'm just going to spray it all around the perimeter of my head. So right here. Oh, that's really... And a lot of times I'll take my finger and just dab it around. I'll take my blow dryer for about 10 to 15 seconds and just hold it on the spray itself. And then now I'm just going to take the spray and spray it once more. And I'm just going to lay it in that spray. All right, so now that my lace is completely secured, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my, this is my MAC foundation powder, take a little this is a nice shadow brush. I'm just gonna dab it into my powder. The brush dusts off all that extra powder on it. So the areas that I'm going to be applying the powder is only where I need it. So like right here in the middle, as you guys can see, it's already light enough, so I'm not going to apply any right there. But over here on the sides, you can't really see, it's a little dark, so it's like areas like that I'm actually going to be applying the powder to, just to lighten the lace so that everything looks a lot more realistic. So just like that. Alright, so now that I've done that, it's time to lay the edges. And on this unit, I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm not going to make a lot of baby hairs. I'm going to try to, you know, keep it as natural looking as I can. I'm not even going for a crazy like baby hair look. Today I just want something really simple and natural looking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all the little hairs that's already out like in the front. Like these little hairs right here, these are the ones that I'm going to be grabbing. I'm just going to pull them down to the front. Okay, so I'm just going to start with this side first and show you guys. So now these little hairs, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to cut them shorter. Then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of mousse. I'm using the Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. I'll take my little edge control brush. I'm just gonna add a bit of that mousse onto the brush itself, just like that. I'm just gonna slick these hairs up. That side right there, that's how I'm going to leave over here looking. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing over here. Alright, so now that I'm done with laying the baby hairs, my edges are laid. This is literally, you guys, how easy it is. Guys, this is all I do when applying my lace wigs. Like, this process takes me about 10 to 15 minutes the most. As you guys can see, the hair is nice and soft. The hair is silky and nice. I love the feeling of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flat iron and I'm just going to give it some, a little bump. For this little piece right here, I'm going to take some mousse and just flatten that down. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much all I do to my hair to make my lace wig look as natural as they do. Like I said, I usually take about 10 to 15 minutes to, you know, install these units. This right here should be a best friend. If you're still out there using the Got to Be styling gel, just throw it in the trash. And like, I'm so loving this wig right now. Like, It's so gorgeous. Like, that's all I have to say. Like, the wig is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I will have all the details listed down below for you guys on where you can purchase this unit. Also, I do have a coupon code for you guys where you can get some extra cash off of your purchases from RPG Wigs, which will be listed down below in the description bar as well. This pretty much wraps up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, comment. Also, I have my huge 100k giveaway coming up, which I'll be giving away 2 units and some bundles once we hit 100k. So keep on sharing these videos, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.